In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet effective guide on how to align text in Google Sites. Whether you're an experienced designer or just getting started, aligning text properly can make a significant difference in the readability and overall aesthetic of your page. So let's dive into the process with clear guidance and tips to help you achieve professional-looking results. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google site. Open whichever site you're working on through your Google account. If you haven't already created a Google site, you'll need to start there. But assuming you have a site ready, let's move on. Once you're on your site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and available options. Understanding where everything is can save you time in the long run as you make adjustments. Now that you have your site open, let's focus on the text you want to align. Click into the text box containing your text. Once highlighted, look closely at your editing panel, usually located conveniently along the top or the side of your screen, depending on your viewing settings. You're searching for the Align option. Clicking on this will present you with several choices. You can align your text to the left, right, center, or choose the Justified option, which aligns text evenly along both the left and right margins. This decision can heavily influence the visual appearance of your text, so consider what best suits your content style and layout. Aside from using the Align option, there's another method that offers intuitive and direct control. You can manually adjust the position of your text box itself. Simply click and drag the text box to your preferred position on the page. As you move it, you'll notice dynamic guides appear. These guides are extremely helpful as they show you where the center and edges of the page are, helping you align everything consistently and accurately. This technique is particularly handy when you need precise placement or when text needs to fit within other design elements. And just like that, you're done. These few simple steps can greatly enhance how your content appears on your site. Before finalizing, preview your site to ensure the text looks exactly how you intend on all devices. Remember, by aligning your text with care, you create a clearer and more engaging experience for anyone visiting your site. Keep experimenting with these tools, as mastering them will greatly expand the creative possibilities at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for further enhancing your digital projects.